You're welcome to Data Analytics with Power BI. Today, we'll be discussing what are the requirements for you to learn Power BI. Now, first and foremost, you would require a personal computer, after which a Microsoft Excel is required to be installed on the personal computer. And most importantly, you require the Microsoft Power BI desktop. Now, for you to get the Microsoft Power BI desktop, you head over to powerbi.microsoft.com. Once you're on the page on your browser, you scroll down to the bottom section, that is the footer section, and you'll see downloads. You click on where it says Power BI desktop. Once you do that, it brings you to this page where you would see downloads or language options. Once you click on it, it brings you to this page. Now on this page, you are required to click on download and select the system architecture you use. Mine is 64-bit. I select it and I click next. Doing that, I have downloaded Power BI into my system. For those using Windows 10, Windows 11, or any higher version, head over to Microsoft Store on your personal computer and search for Power BI desktop. Once you get there, on the top right, you would see install. Why you're saying launch on my screen is because I already have it installed on this PC. Doing that, you have successfully installed Power BI on your system. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.